Have you ever watched a YouTube video and wished you could save the subtitles? Maybe for studying, translating, or just keeping notes? Well, the good news is, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to download subtitles from any YouTube video, in just a few simple steps. And yes, it's 100% free and works on both desktop and mobile. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube video that has subtitles available. You can check by clicking the CC, closed caption, icon under the video. If it turns white, that means subtitles are available. Now, copy the video link from your browser's address bar or from the share button. Next, go to a website called downzub.com, that's downzub.com. It's one of the most reliable tools for downloading YouTube subtitles directly. Paste your YouTube link into the search box and hit download. Within seconds, the site will show you all available subtitle languages, English, Spanish, or any others the creator uploaded. Click on the one you want, and choose your preferred format. .srt if you want to use it in video editors like Premiere Pro or CapCut. Or .txt if you just need plain text for reading or translating. If you don't want to use a website, there's another way. While watching a video, click the three dots under the video description and choose Show Transcript. A transcript panel will appear on the right side of your screen, showing all the subtitles line by line, with timestamps. You can copy and paste that text manually, or use a browser extension like YouTube Transcript Downloader from the Chrome Web Store to export it instantly. For mobile users, you can open YouTube in desktop mode using your browser, and do the same process with DownSub. It works the same way. High voltage quick tip. If the video has auto-generated captions, the accuracy might not be perfect. So if you're translating or using it for learning, double-check the words. And that's it. Now you know how to download subtitles from any YouTube video, quickly, safely, and for free. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.